Yes, my name is Agalu Paul Namura, but you can call me Mura.
Okay, and I'm Agalo Prosper Mina Sana, so you can call me Mina.
We are music producers, we are music tutors, vocal coach, anything music, we're your guys. Songwriters.
Par excellence.
Yeah.
Welcome, guys.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. Hello. Not so.
Yes.
For real, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe one step. Okay.
Yeah.
So that one, or you like it like this?
How you comfortable?
You step aside.
You want to
How
step
you wanna do
aside
it?
so that
Yes.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, twins Mina and Mura will be back to perform again at Theatre Week, taking the first 2 golden tickets of Season 8.
You can't go home yet because we need you in the next round.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. So, Oscar and Mura, I'm afraid this is going to be the end of your journey on this competition. So sorry about that.
What up, do you like? How about you? Yes, I could.
Damn, Thomas, that, well, we didn't add more vocals.
Okay.
All right.
So, right.
All right, now that's fine now.
Yeah.
Jam.
Man.
Let the mobilization still go on.
Yeah, definitely.
We still have the show now.
Cool.
We still have the show.
We do.
Yeah.
I wish you the
down.
best.
All right.
Yeah.
It's very shocking, actually mixed feelings, because I somehow think during their rehearsing session they quite had the energy, but well, it could be one man down, but we still have the show. I'm still here, gunning for the top, so I think, yeah, that's just, it's a mixed feeling though.